If you want to learn how to turn your sock drawer from this into this, stay tuned because I'm going to show you exactly that. Hi everyone, my name is Danielle, also known as Miss Happy Housewife, and today on our live stream, we actually decluttered our sock drawer. And on that live stream, we also learned how to fold our socks with the KonMari method, and I wanted to share that with you guys. If you want to go and see that live stream, it is up here. I'll make sure to link that for you. But yeah, completely revolutionary. Let me show you how to go and fold those socks. Generally, there's two ways that we've been taught to go and put away our socks. Either we just throw them inside of our sock drawer like this, or we ball up the top. Some people even take it all the way through and completely ball it like this. But I'm going to show you the KonMari method, and that's going to allow us to have a little bit more room inside our sock drawer. So let me show you how to fold socks in the KonMari method. So what you're going to do is you are going to first lay them flat, one on top of each other. Then you're going to take the toes and you're going to fold them about 1/3 of the way. See, you're going to fold it about just 1/3 of the way. Then you're going to fold it up to about the halfway point, just up to the halfway point, and then over. And that way, you're going to have these little rolls like this. By doing that, they should actually stand right up. Let me see. There we go. They should stand right up. So when you have more, they're actually going to fit and look just like this when you open up your sock. Ooh. So they're going to look just like this when you open up your sock drawer. Now, if you have something that's a smaller size, so if you have something that's in a smaller size, like these ankle socks, then you won't have to go as far. So with that, all you'd really have to do is you could try doing it the same way, but remember, you want them to be about the same size. That way they'll all stand up nice and neat by themselves. I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of my socks folded and put inside the sock drawer. So I just want to go and thank you for taking some time to go and watch this. If you want to do a deep cleaning or a decluttering and you need someone to walk alongside you, then go ahead and consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.